planning a wedding? You've gotten the dress and you're thinking, what accessory are you going to use with your wedding dress? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this important bridal accessory, which is a bouquet. It's a garden-inspired, romantic bridal bouquet. Please stay tuned. Hi, my name is Isreal of Isreal Celebrations, a floral and event design company. Our goal is to share wedding planning tips, floral and event design inspiration, and DIY party decorations. Today, I'll be sharing with you how I make my wedding bridal bouquet. And this method that I'm going to be sharing with you, I'll be using the chicken wire to make it. So please stay tuned. For this bridal bouquet, we'll be using, of course, the chicken wire. I've gone ahead to cut it and mold it into the shape of an egg. For this, we'll be using some roses. The color I have here, I have a pink, peach, and we have some pink spray roses. I just threw in some white lisianthus. We might not use them. And then, of course, I have my greenery. I'll be using the Italian Ruscus and Israeli Ruscus. That's what I could find when I went shopping. But you can use whatever greenery you like and whatever flowers you like also. So let's go ahead and make this bouquet. So we start with our base. Our base will be the greenery to try and cover these mechanics up. Okay? So what do you think? It's all done. This is another style of bridal bouquet with greenery and roses. It's more garden inspired. I like it. It's ready for any bride who is walking down the aisle. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.